where the best of the best made their nest. Chancery Lane and North Parade. Islands Rest, where the best of the best made their nest.
Islands Rest, heart of the city, Kingston town, Chancery Lane.
Randy Studio 17 dominated the scene. Singers, DJs, players of instruments, right there on the pavement. Islands Rest, where the best of the best made their nest.
Islands Rest, heart of the city.
Looking for an artist, you got to check Islands Rest. From sunrise to sunset, you can place your bet. They're there at Islands Rest. Wheelers, F-Tones, Mighty Diamonds, Jimmy London, Gregory Isaac, the Chantels, Big Youth. They're there at Islands Rest.
Islands Rest, heart of the city, Kingston town, Chancery Lane.
Islands Rest, where the best of the best made their nest. Trinity, Dillinger, Sly and Robbie, Jackie Brown, we're all around. Islands Rest, where the best of the best made their nest. Randy's Record Mart, Miss Spot, Vincent, Carl, CB, Amy and more.
Islands Rest, heart of the city, Kingston town, Chancery Lane.
Singers, DJs, players of instruments, right there on the pavement.